All right, could you guys hear me now? You didn't hear me that entire time? I think the people on Zoom did. But anyway, guys from YouTube, welcome. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. So what I was going over here with you guys, we're going to give the markets first few minutes anyway. First off, let's do it quickly. Carnival Cruise Line here had a nice breakout. $29.60 a share. Big breakout on CCL, up 2.5% here. That's looking great. We have something for the July Expo on CCL. Now let's take a look. Our Amgen trade still in the green, down a little bit today, but it's climbing off those lows. It opened up around 240, and there we go. Another big breakout. She just climbed $2 on that candle right there. So we're getting another breakout on Amgen. So I want to watch that where it goes. We're still in the green on the Amgen trade, holding on to that. BP. I was going over this one with you guys. Here's another one. We're not below the previous candle's body. We're not below support. I want to see that break that 10. If we break that 10, she's going to run for that 27.50. Might even do something shorter term with that then. Picking up some regular calls now. Alrighty, let's go down the watch list. Or let's see, Delta here. Let me show you guys our current trades, because what I was telling you guys before is managing current trades is the most important thing as a trader. Manage those current trades you have. So here's Delta. We're almost in the green on Delta. Before, when I was going over that with you guys, it was down about 50 cents in pre-market. So not too bad there. It's still above the 10, 20, 50-day simple moving average. Not below the previous candle's body. Doesn't look too bad there. Now let's take a look at EXPR. EXPR is just flirting with green here. That's looking good. I want to see that break above $5. And again, by summertime, I think we could see 750 on Express Air. Let's see what else we got going on. Walmart, I want to see that hold that 10 today. We just got that 10-20 cross coming up. So over the next few days, I want to see that 10-20 cross continue. We already had the MACD cross. We already have the first green bars above the zero line on the histogram of the MACD. So that's looking good. I just want to see that next green candle here on Walmart breakout, and I want to make sure that holds that 10-day simple moving average. You got some support at 130 and then again at about 126, but I don't think we're going to get down to 126 on Walmart. All right, let's take a look here. What else I wanted to go over was, let me pull it up, Trivago, TRVG. That one's holding the previous candle's body, still looking good. Only down about 10 cents. We had like a 13% climb or 16% climb on that yesterday. So I want to see that continue to run. It's only a $5 stock here. Obviously Priceline, Expedia, they're the best of breeds there, but Trivago, cheap stock there. It's getting some type of pump in some of these groups, and I've liked this for a while here off the lows. If we look at a 3-year daily, I mean, you can see, we definitely have some room to run. We're in a nice breakout here, so I'll trade that up to resistance at about $7 at least. I told you guys that before. $7, $6 to $7 would be a nice target area for that Trivago. Let's see. Starting to climb a little bit. Let me log into the other account here. Sundial, we're up a nice amount on today. FedEx, we're up. Express, we're up. Carnival Cruise Line, Sundial. Not a bad day, especially if we climb here. SNDL, guys, take a look at that. I have some shares of Sundial. We picked up these shares at $1.43 a share. She's at 165 now, continuing to climb. I think we got into this literally on one of these breakouts. It might have been right here on the 9th, March 9th. We had a nice breakout. We're starting to break out again now. If we get above this resistance on the March 16th candle at about 175, we could quickly see that $2. So, I got 5,000 shares, so that's a nice gain there. Trivago shares we're still up on. That looks great. Just giving the market time. We're continuing to climb on our trades. Carnival Cruise Line and FedEx have earnings today after the bell, guys. Make sure you you keep an eye on those. We're continuing to climb. Let's see Amgen. Amgen at 243 now, still climbing. Nice climb on Amgen, getting right up to that 10. Let's see if she's going to break that 10 or fail at that 1020 here and pull back. That's why we give it the first 15 minutes in the trading day. Let's see, Express just turned green. We are in the green on our Express calls. Nice breakout on Express here, guys. Express shares now up 4%. Trivago shares are on the climb. Nice breakout on Express there. I'd love to see that climb to $6. Shares already up 4.5%. I am in the green now for the day team. Anyone want to be off microphone here? FedEx is getting a nice climb. Let's see, FedEx 267.11. Express on the climb. And again, guys, what's most important during times like this, when you're seeing choppiness in the market, you're seeing the markets make new highs, right? So we're still in breakout momentum. Yet the volatility, you're seeing those big swings. You know, 1 minute the Dow's up 200 points, next minute she's down 200 points. So that volatility is going to be here for a while, especially once you're seeing all the money coming in from the sidelines now, from the institutional buyers, hedge funds, retail traders. So I expect this volatility to continue. What's important is managing your trades. And when you're in these trades, make sure you're watching your targets, your stops, and don't be worried about intraday volatility, intraday swings. When you're in swing trades, all you're worried about at the end of the day, where is that candle at on a 3-month daily chart? So, for example, you look at a 3-month daily chart, what is this in Express right here? What cycle is Express in within our trade plan? Just looking at this right now. Take a look at this chart. What are we in? Let me see in the trade room. MSOS is looking great, Avilio. That's actually one I've been looking at for a while. I'm thinking about, I think I shared that in the trade room. I think I'm going to make a trade on that today. She's starting to break above that 20. She's currently above the 10-20-50, but you know what's important is at the end of the day there. But let me see here. MSOS. Let's look at the option chain. But again, what I was saying, guys, what's important, manage current trades. Look at the daily chart there, you know? So look at the daily chart. That's still in breakout momentum on the Express chart, you know, and as long as you're still within your cycle of your trade plan on your calls or vertical spread, whatever it is you have, then you're good to go. Don't worry about that intraday volatility because now we're turning green on all of our accounts here. Amgen's getting a big climb here, guys. Amgen's almost green for the day. I got to look at that MSOS. Let's see. I'd probably go out to January 2022 with that. Give it enough time there to run. Wow, that's really expensive going out that far. Let's see, June 18th, 48 strike. That's really expensive there as well. That's probably something I'd just pick up some shares on, which I will do here. probably be picking up MSOS today. Let's see Amgen here quick. Amgen, I'm watching on our positions here, and that's getting a nice climb. Guys, near the highs of and we're at the highs of the day on Amgen. She's at 244. What a nice breakout. We got into that trade. We're up 200 bucks on it, 18% right now. Looking for that continued breakout. I'd love to see that at 250 by today. She got a big climb from those lows. Remember, she opened up at what? 240. She's at 244 now. 244.49. Another big breakout there. Express is taking off, guys. Take a look at EXPR. Another big breakout on Express. 514 a share. Up 7% just about on Express. This is one that's in the Wall Street Bets group that they've been watching. So when you see the volatility coming in here, the volume coming in, take a look at the studies volume. You got some nice volume starting to come in on Express here. You're getting about 200,000 shares coming in on each candle here, each minute. So if we take a look at the 3-month daily chart here, you'll see starting to get some nice volume coming in. Express 510. Let me put Amgen up above here, AMGN. I'm looking at the market movers. We have Wells Fargo. WFC is having a nice move today, up 3.5%. AMC breaking that 14 bucks again, 14.05. Bank of America, 38.98. Wow, you guys see Bank of America? What a climb on BAC. I think we got to get into the financials again, guys. I think it's time. Let's take a look at BAC chart. Express taking off again. There goes Express. We're up 30% on our Express trade now. 20% gains on Amgen. She's continuing to climb. Another big climb on Express here. 30% gains on Express. Another big climb, 520 a share, guys. What a climb on Express. Look at that climb, guys. Guys, Amgen, big breakout on Amgen. Guys, I just sold Express. I'm out of Express at, let's see, order status. We had a nice gain on Express. $1.15 on Express. We were in at 85 cents, out at $1.15. 1.15, divide that by 0.85. Got over a 35% gain on Express there. That was a nice trade. And remember, we were down 1.40% on that. Now, guys, now take a look at, let me post that in the trade room quick. That was a good one, guys. All right, let's take a look at Amgen now. Amgen's in the green nicely. AMGN, we're up 33% on Amgen. She just broke 245 a share. Just had the 1020 cross. It looks like she's ready for another climb. Look at that chart on Amgen. Tell me how beautiful that looks. We're going to be hitting our target in the next couple of days on Amgen, guys. Love that chart on Amgen. Man, Express is still climbing here, guys. It had a big climb. She's ready for another one. Let's see if we could do something weekly with Express. Maybe tomorrow's expo. Something overnight would be nice. Express has been climbing. March 19th, the $5 strike's going for about 47 cents. That's a big move it needs. I wouldn't pick that up just yet. Let me see. I think you might have did that express trade wrong. We were in that one at 80 cents or 85 cents. Let me see her. I don't know what's going on with E-Trade today. There we go. Express, we were in at 80 cents. Efren, here is the original trade. We got the March 26 450 strike call, 10 contracts at 80 cents. So obviously 803.64, divide that by 10, it's 80 cents a contract. We were in at 80 cents, out at $1.15, like I said here, minus commission. So 1.15, divide that by 0.8. That was a 44% gain on Express. Amgen's taking off again here, guys. So nice gain on Express there of, what did I say, 40-some%. All right, let me look back on here. The main. Amgen 244.19. Express is starting to take off here again, guys. EXPR. She's getting another nice climb. Look at that candle on Express, too. That's looking really good. She's going to have another run. Thinking about doing something for EXPR. They're so damn expensive, though, going with this week's expo. $5.50 we could pick up for about 30 cents. That's not too bad there. I'll probably do that then. I'll pick up some calls for March 19th. 5.50 is going for. I'll pick up 20 contracts. Let's see here. Wow, what a breakout there. As soon as I made that, she had that big breakout. Another all-time high on GM today. There we go. Now I'm going to change this to 35 cents. Still can't. Not executing. Probably going to have to go up to that 40. I'm just waiting to pull the trigger here. All right, I got into Express there. we go. There's another nice climb. I'll let that one continue to go. Express at the highs of the day, up almost 11% now, guys. Steven, I just had it up there. I got the, let me see, order status. I picked up the Express March 19th 550 call. Small contract, Steve. You know, like if you have a smaller account under 5,000, should probably stay away from this one. It expires tomorrow. It's higher risk. Just giving you guys a heads up. But I am in at 40 cents there. There goes another climb on Express. Amgen getting another climb here, guys, too. Express looking good. Amgen take it off. Slow moves today. Dow's in the green by about 12 points. Amgen's nearing the highs of the day, just short ways away. Another 60 cents away from the highs of the day. Express on the climb here. 529. Looking good here, guys. Big breakout on Express, guys. Our Express trade's now in the green. We're already up 10% on Express. Amgen. Big climb on Amgen, guys. We're now up 35% on Amgen. Slow climbs today, guys. Not seeing as much volatility. It's really flat since open, to be honest. Dow's up about 30 points now, but slow day. Baba shares up about 1.5%. Facebook's holding that 280. Take a look at Facebook quick. Let me link this to link 1. If you guys could see here, we got a nice climb there on Facebook. Nice climb, and look at how well she held that 280 from this morning. Even retracing, held that 280. Now she's getting another nice breakout. She's going to be green by the end of today. I'm not adding to the Amgen trade. I got a trade on that. I'll just keep it. Amgen, you know, if I added to it yesterday, we'd be fine. But, I mean, you could certainly add to it. Just holding on to it for now, though. Everything's slowly climbing here. Even the NASDAQ guys. CCL's back on the climb here too. Let's see CCL quick. CCL. CCL's climbing here, guys. Look at that 1020 cross coming up on CCL. Nice breakout there coming off the lows. 28.50 was support. I'd be looking for a run to about 29.50 to 29.75 on CCL here. Amgen needs to break that 245 for that next run to 246. There goes CCL. Express is holding that 20. Amgen is still just pretty flat at 244.71. I'm watching Trivago get a little climb there, 493. Amgen looks ready for that run. There she goes, 244.82. That break above that 245 is critical for Amgen here on a today 1 minute chart for that next run. Amazon was just starting to get a climb there. Home market, little pullback here. NASDAQ back down about 206 points. That's what you just saw, that big candle there on Q's. Diamond. SPY. So that's just telling you it's general market, not an individual stock. I'm watching Amgen up above here, guys. If Amgen starts to break down, I'll close these contracts out. But she's holding right now. It's like watching paint dry today, guys. There we go. Amgen and Express are starting to climb a bit again. Nice breakout on Amgen here, guys. Big breakout. She's nearing the highs of the day here, team. She just climbed about $1 in 2 minutes there. That was a nice climb. Got some nice gains on that Amgen trade, guys. New highs of the day on Amgen. I just put in, let's see. Looks like markets want to take off again. All right, I sold Amgen, guys. I'm out of it at $6.50 a contract. Ephraim, what was our entry on the Amgen? We're out at $6.50. Out at $6.50. Now that was a nice trade there, guys. Ephraim, you remember our entry on that? Got in at 490. Yep, 490. $33% gain. Nice. 33% gain on Amgen calls. Express is starting to climb. That was a nice exit there on Amgen. So already we locked in a trade on Amgen. We locked in a trade on Express there. Two nice gains locked in. That's what I mean about taking gains on the trades that you're up on while the others are down. Now once we start to see these other trades take off here, you know, then we'll lock in those as well. EXPR starting to take off again. I was looking at that. 522 a share. There we go. There's another nice climb on Express. Amgen just had a big breakout. You guys see that Amgen candle? AMGN. Man, oh man. More new highs of the day coming up on Amgen. Express is breaking out here, guys. 526. Looking good. Amgen's looking ready for another nice climb here, guys. There she goes. More highs of the day on Amgen. Powell's coming on again. Oh, that's gonna make the banks run again. We got to look at the banks then. Look at that Amgen breakout, guys. What a freaking chart. Look at that chart on Amgen. Guys, did you see Express there? Express trades in the green. Amgen is still breaking higher. Look at Amgen. Wow, guys, look at Express. New highs of the day on Express now. Big candle there. Wow, what is going on with Express? Look at the new highs of the day on Express, guys. Wow, look at that breakout. She's going to be up 20% by the end of today. It's nice we're seeing that volume come in pretty early. It's 10:12 already. Look at that breaking out. Guys, there we go. More gains on our Express calls. Look at that breakout. Yeah, let's see that 550 now. There we go. She's at 45 cents. Let's see that break of 540 now. Tyler, let me know if it fills at 750. I swear, I had an original order in at 750. And then I was looking at it pull back there a little bit. I'm like, yeah, you know what? Let me change it to 7. I changed it to 7, and then I said, 650 would be good. Just wanted to lock in that nice gain there. It was up, what? Had some nice gains on that. That Express run is looking good if she could break that 540 now. What was the entry date on our Amgen calls? Was that yesterday or was that on the 16th? Or was it here on that breakout above resistance on the 15th? Probably on the 15th, right? See, now guys, what I like doing here and what's really important is analyzing those trades that you locked in those profits on, because it's really important to look at it and say, why did this trade make us those nice gains? What went in our favor? What did we do right? What did we do wrong? And if you look here, you know, we broke out above that resistance. We were holding that 10-day simple moving average. We had support at 220. You know, it was holding that 10 really nicely. We just had the 1020 cross coming up. We already had the MACD cross. Green bars above the zero line on histogram of the MACD. And we broke that resistance that we were talking about right here. So if you take a look, you know, we were breaking that resistance we were talking about. That's that consolidation. And then here's your resistance, RESIS. So on this candle here, that was our entry on that trade. Guys, Express having another big run here, 540. Let's see that break above that 540 on Express. There she goes. She just broke it. Just broke it. So if you see here, we broke above that consolidation, above that resistance. We entered, and then we just locked in that nice gain. There's, wow, guys, you guys see that candle? 5 cents. Oh, my God. Hold on, I got to get out of this. We're up 20% on that trade now. We'll come back to Amgen. EXPR is on the run. Big breakout here on Express. We're up 18% on our Express calls now. Okay, that's a nice breakout above 540 on Express there. I really think we're going to be seeing $6 tomorrow on Express, just like we were talking about. It's just about reaching that target. She's still in breakout momentum. Looks like a beautiful daily chart there. 750 is going to be an easy target on Express. Easy target. Amgen still in breakout momentum here too. Looking good. There goes Express off that 10 again. Another big climb here on Express. Big volume on Express. Big candles coming in. Wow, look at that breakout. That's an easy one to buy 1,000 shares of for $5 grand, 5,400. Sell it at 750. You know, that's a quick $2,000 on a $5,000 trade that you're just buying shares on. There we go. There's another big breakout on Express, guys. 545. There we go. New highs of the day on Express. Big breakout on Express. Huge breakout here, guys. She breaks that 550 today. I think we'll see 6 today. There goes Express. Guys, I just sold Express day trade. I'm out of it at 50 cents. She's breaking even higher now. You could get 55 cents for it right now. Out of that day trade on Express. Nice job today, guys. Nice job. Nice job there, guys. Did you guys get out of Express? What price did you get filled at? Let me see what it's going for now. I got out at 50 cents. Option chains. $0.55 now. Wow. Nice job. Let's see. All right, let's see here now. Trivago is picking up here too. FedEx is on the run. I am up $1,000 on the Express trade today in the main account. The April 16th 5 strike calls. Remember I picked those up? Guys, I'm still in this trade right here in the main account. I want to make sure you guys know that. There you go. The Express April 16th 5 strike call. Remember, I picked it up for $1.35. It's at $1.49 right now. I'm up $1,050 on it today. Overall, I'm up $239. Now, if she gets up to that $7.50 target, that means this is going to be worth at least $2.50. So $2.50, multiply that by 20, that's $5,000. So $5,000, we're at $29.50 now. That's still a $2,050 gain from where we're at, which is really nice. There goes Express in the background taking off again. But nice gains on that day. And that's what I mean about letting the trades, get to your targets. Some days you're going to be down on the trade. The stocks don't go up every day. But as you see, when we do break out, we lock in profits on those new trades or those trades that are in the green, and then we can make our new trades to replace those. And that's really important with trade management and account management. Amgen still running. Amgen looks good. If you guys are still in that, you're looking good up to about 250, I'd say, at least. Matt Jones, I know I should have held on to the Amgen, but that was in the trade challenge account, so I felt like I had to lock in profits on the trade challenge account. Let's see. Ryan says Delta, or Tyler says Delta's on the run. Let's see. DAL. DAL's breaking out here, guys. Only down about 30 cents now for the day. 3-month daily chart. That looks beautiful there. Guys, Express. Did you see EXPR? New highs of the day on Express. Big breakout there again. Another big run. Let's see what we're doing here. Up $1,200 now on Express for the day in the main account. Guys, Trivago's on the run. Take a look at Trivago. She is running higher. She just climbed about 15 cents there in a very short period of time. Trivago, TRVG, is on the run. What a good morning. Really nice morning here today. That Express looks like that's going to continue up to $6 today. I'm telling you right now. Remember this morning I said Express is going to be up 20% by the end of the day when she was up only 10? She's going to run to that $6 today. I'm telling you. I could tell by the volume coming in, the candles that we're seeing. I mean, we didn't see large candles like this in a while. There's definitely some good volume coming in. So that means, there's buyers, there's pumpers, there's something going on here. I don't watch the Wall Street Bets group, but I know they were talking about this the other day, Express. That's why she's just continuing to climb here on a daily chart. I mean, that's just a beautiful chart there. Continuing breakout momentum. It just broke resistance. I think that's going to be seeing 750 by the end of next week. Just by the looks of that chart. And look at the breakout we're seeing. Almost at more new highs of the day here with Express. There we go. There's another run. Tyler said he sold Amgen at $6.80. What did I sell Amgen at? I can't remember a darn thing. Amgen sold at $6.50. You only sold at $6.80? On that big run on Amgen? What happened to that $7.50 target? She's climbing off that 20 now, Tyler. Looks like we're getting a nice climb here for sure, Doug. GM, more new highs of the day. Big breakout on GM. That 3-month daily chart on GM looks great. She's at new all-time highs. We are in the green overall here today, too, in the main account. DAL, Delta wants to go green. Now I just want to see BP and Walmart do the same. Delta down 18 cents on the day. Look at Bank of America, guys. What a breakout on Bank of America. We got to get in there. We got to get in Bank of America. I think I'm going to pick up some calls here on Bank of America for June Expo. The 40 strike call's looking good there. Yes, Dwayne, still in the Walmart trade. Let's see, Bank of America call. June, let's see what the July Expo is going for. July. Guys, Trivago's having a huge breakout. Do I want to jump in that or do I want to do... All right, I know what I'm going to do here, guys. If E-Trade's going to cooperate here with me. There we go. Bank of America. Let's see. Call spread. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make a vertical call spread on Bank of America going out to that June Expo, okay? That's going to be money in the bank there. See, June 18th, we could pick up the, I want to do something like, let's see, 39.40. It's going for 49 cents to be worth 43 cents. Midpoint's 49. Okay, bid 43, ask a 54. 49 cents to be worth $1 there, as long as she's above 40 a share by June. I like that. So I'm going to do a net debit limit order of 0.50, 100% gain. Now, obviously, one contract's going to cost me $50. I want to put about 3,500 into this trade. 3,500, divide that by 50. That's going to be 70 contracts. I like making it lots of like 75. So we'll do 75 contracts. It'll be a $3,800 trade. Preview order, place trade. Let's view order, and it's still an open order here. Might go up to 51 cents. That's the top I'll go up to. Let's see, 49 cent. We'll definitely get filled on that 51, I think. Alrighty, we are filled. $0.51 there is our entry on this vertical spread. This is a trade, or this is a main account trade, official trade. And there we go. Perfect. Perfect. Looks good. All right, let's see now. Look at that run on Trivago. She just had a nice climb there. All right. Wow, guys, did you guys see Express here? EXPR, holy smokes. Look at this run on Express. $5.75 a contract, guys. $5.75 a share. Man, oh man, look at that. Let me see in the main account here on those Express. Wow, up $2,000 on Express calls now for the day. Look at that run on Express. I told you guys 20%, didn't I? There we go, 21% up for the day. 22%. Wow. Nice run there. Really nice run. 26% gain on the Express calls for April 16th, 5 strike. Let me refresh, because we're going to be up more now. Alrighty, 28% gain on those Express calls now. 31% gain on the Express calls right now. Wow, look at that breakout. What a run. So before we were up $1,050 on the day on this Express call right here. Now if you take a look, we are currently up. That's what I mean about just letting the trades do their thing. Some days you're going to be down on some of the trades. That's normal. They don't go up every single day. Now we're getting a nice run. We're up $1,650 on the day on Express calls here. Up 31% on our Express calls. $840 gain overall. And like I said, that's going to run up to that $7, $7.50. It's looking good. Guys, Delta's in the green. Our Delta trade just turned green. DAL. There goes Delta, guys. Big breakout on Delta as well. Highs of the day on Delta right now. Delta calls are up $10 on the day. Guys, Express is having another big run here. EXPR, another big run on Express. Wow, we are nailing it, team. There goes Trivago. Trivago's at the highs. TRVG is on the run. Markets are climbing here, guys. Dow's up 109 points. Amgen, big candle on Amgen, guys. Take a look at Amgen. There goes Trivago, TRVG. Big breakout momentum candles there on TRVG. Michael, we locked in Amgen because, you know, we had some nice gains on it and it was in the trade challenge trade. You're free to hold on to it. Whenever I lock in gains, I always say if you're, you know, if I think it's still a trade that you could hold on to. I've been taking profits a little early, but, you know, it's to grow the accounts there. Trivago's having a big run. Look at this. We're up over $1,000 on the day now in the main account. Another big run on Express, guys. Big run on Express. We were up $1,184.67, but now we are currently up even more. Nice run here today, guys. There goes Express again. Another big run on Express. There goes Express. Another big climb. EXPR, guys. Wow, look at Express go. There she goes. She broke $6. 603. Guys, she might hit 750 by, you know, by the end of today. I'm telling you. She might hit 750 by the end of today. The volume coming in on this is insane. They're definitely pushing Express here, guys. $6.10 on Express. Loving that chart on Express. Look at the daily chart on Express here. Now tell me that isn't a breakout above resistance on Express. There goes Trivago again, team. Trivago having another run. Amazon's starting its breakout here too now. There goes another nice breakout on Trivago, guys. TRVG. I'm telling you guys, Trivago is going to be that $10 a share by the end of the summer, in my opinion. At least 750. 750 should be a good target. Amgen's on the run again. Jay, what'd you end up doing with your Disney calls? I feel bad for you. That was a big trade. He jumped into March monthly expos, he said, when he heard that Disney was reopening, you know? That's why it's important sometimes to go with those longer expos, but yeah, it's not. I know Disney's your thing, though. Big Disney fan. There goes Trivago off that 10. So is Express here. Express having another big climb. If you're still in... Michael, how much are you up on the Amgen trade now? Refresh your account and tell me how much you're up on Amgen. Because Amgen's having a big breakout. You're up 49% on that. I'd lock it in. You know, I mean, you could definitely hold it. You have the April Expo, right? I mean, you could definitely hold it. It looks like she's going to get up to that 250 by tomorrow. Guys, Express, new highs of the day. EXPR. There goes Trivago again, too. Express, new highs of the day. But, Michael, yeah, you could hold on to that if you have the April Expo. There's nothing wrong with holding on to that trade. 250 should be an easy target on Amgen. I just, you know, I had that in the trade challenge account, so I wanted to lock in profits. CCL's on the run here, guys, too. CCL. CCL shares up about 1% now. There goes Trivago. Nice run here, guys. Another run on Express. 614 a share on Express. Unbelievable climb.
to put the Paris Agreement on the blockchain and connect the national carbon accounts of the world to enable cross-border collaboration. So we've actually been building an NFT-based platform to connect countries through the Paris Agreement. And this will allow issuance and exchange of tokens. And, you know, as climate professionals, we have been engaging with this reality. And so when we saw, you know, of course, the rise of interest in NFTs and the amazing work that artists are doing to gain back the means of production, to be monetizing their work and engaging in a whole new
There
creative
goes Travago, guys, breaking out of resistance on Travago.
rising around what exactly is the climate impact of this work. We recognize that
Okay, so explain again how that is actually going to work. How are you reducing the impact on the electricity grid and everything else as a result of this added activity of people using Ethereum, for example, and the blockchain there to buy NFTs?
Travago having another breakout. Travago's now in the green. You guys see the stocks breaking out here. You see what sectors they are. It's the COVID recovery stocks that we got to be focusing on. Easy money.
close the blocks on the blockchain. They happen every 15 seconds or so. And right now, all of the transactions on there are full as well. There's a really key distinction that I was able to make for myself a couple weeks ago when really digging in hard to this, which is there are emissions from the Ethereum network. That's another proof of work blockchains. But somebody jumping in and making one more NFT or 1,000 more NFTs or purchasing them,
I'd love to see Travago up 20%. That would make my day.
using the network and you're using, say, you know, 1,000th of the first, you know, 1% of it, then you're responsible for 1% of the carbon footprint. And I think that's fair. That's the way we deal with if you're taking a bus or riding as a passenger in a car. Because who else are those emissions going to be allotted to except for the end user? What's very interesting though is that additional NFTs or additional transactions on the blockchain actually don't directly cause any more emissions because there's a set number of emissions that are happening from the blockchain at any time. And so if I hop in with an NFT transfer, that's going to bump other transactions to another point, and it doesn't change the level of emissions that are happening. Whereas an indirect process where if there's lots of people using the system, it becomes more profitable for Ethereum miners to add more capacity, add more specialized computers. Those will use more electricity, and in that indirect pathway, increase the emissions.
I mean, it's fascinating, and I'm still trying to wrap my head around this. But just, I guess more broadly, stepping back and looking at what we're seeing in terms of this bigger crypto craze, whether it's NFTs, whether it's Ethereum, whether it's, you know, Bitcoin, and just the emissions, the electricity usage. Are we going to see, as this continues to, I guess, take root, a more lockstep approach with the adoption of alternative and clean energy sources? Would you expect to see more actual
There goes Travago again, another nice climb.
Working on setting up mining systems, mostly in blockchain and other systems, using clean energy based in British Columbia, Canada. So we have an almost completely clean air builder. So what we see that happening is some of the mining facilities, all their special computers in locations with low energy costs, which in certain circumstances will correlate with cleaner energy. We know now that adding wind to the grids in a lot of places in America is actually the cheapest power available. So I do see that the work that's being done within the Ethereum ecosystem to reduce the demand, reduce the electricity demand of the system. And as a carbon market professional, when sort of going down this rabbit hole, when we were discussing on NFTs, we realized that once we figure out, you know, is it very difficult to print? Yes. Are you causing more emissions? Maybe a little bit, but probably not much. And that's what there's great carbon accounting to do, whereas quantify your emission reductions, reduce them where you can, and offset the rest. And so we've explored some of those pathways in there as well.
There's another nice big breakout on Amgen, guys. Big candle there on Amgen.
Understand exactly what that is, and look forward to
Trivago's climbing off that 10. Express is climbing off that 20. Amazon's getting a nice climb there.
We need a better world of work. I'm John C. Taylor Jr., President and CEO of Sherman. I'm calling for all HR professionals and managers to change the workplace. Sherman's PQ improves managers' ability to lead successfully. Get your managers qualified today.
There goes another nice candle on Amgen. Guys, big breakout on Trivago here. Look at TRVG, guys. Look at the breakout on Trivago. Unbelievable. We're going to be up a couple $1,000s on Trivago today, I bet. 1.5%. That was down 6% today, Trivago. We're now up 1.5%, and it's not even the first hour and a half of the trading day. Look at her go. Big breakout.
Many areas of emerging tech have regulatory risk. They have safety risk, approval risk. The literature is very good. They're proven new technologies for use. And in the case of
Love that Trivago chart there. 6-month daily. Look at Trivago. Trivago is going to be hitting $6 in, I think, the next week, honestly. I really think so, guys. This is a nice opportunity to pick up some Trivago. Even if you only wanted to do out to next week's expo, maybe I'll pick it up in the trade challenge account. TRVG. April 16th.
Palantir and SpaceX. Brent 6, for example, already has plans to expand into commercial aviation, urban aviation.
That 5 strike is really cheap there. Or really expensive, I'm sorry. For the April 16th. I'd rather go out with the July if I was going to do that. That's what I mean. The Trivago calls now are so darn expensive. It's just better picking up the shares. Picked up those 5,000 shares. They look good. No, it's not too late to get into Trivago. I think she's going to be hitting $6 within the next couple of weeks, Michael. You know, that's when you can pick shares up. You know, even if you just got 1,000 shares, that's $1,000 gain, you know, on Trivago shares if she gets up to that next resistance. Let's see. But is there volume on those, Chevin? That's the important thing you got to look for. Let's see. TRVG. If you look at that, April 250s, there's some there. That's not bad, though. Theoretically, you can pick it up for $280 a contract. It's not bad. What I should do, actually, now is sell some covered calls against those shares. Delta wants to turn green. United Airlines, Southwest Airlines. What's American Airlines doing? American Airlines is in the green today. She looks ready for that next breakout. Look at how nice she's holding that resistance. Now it's going to be acting as support. It's looking good. She's going to have that next run, at least up to that 2650 and then up to that 30. R1, R2. Amgen is breaking out again. Another nice climb on Amgen. Nearing the highs of the day. Express is climbing off, you know, that 580 area. That's looking pretty good. Amazon's breaking higher. Financials are climbing nicely. Delta's starting to break out now again. Goldman Sachs is having another huge day here, guys. Goldman Sachs, you got to be looking at that. We've been talking about this. Here's a 3-month daily chart. Another big breakout on Goldman Sachs. Man, I remember when she was just 100 and some bucks a share. Financials are going to continue to break out, so that's why I'm holding that Bank of America. Trivago, another nice climb. Alrighty, guys, we are looking good going into the afternoon trade session here. So we are definitely climbing off the lows here. Nasdaq's only down 163 points here, and the Dow is up around 96. So we are looking good. And just, guys, we got to hang into our trades here. You guys see we're taking profits on trades each day we go. Now, wait, let me show you what we did for today so far so you guys can see exactly what it is we're doing. I want to show you guys the account, what we locked in today. Wow, we are up nicely in the main account there. Let me get off there. All right, so let me see what we did today. I'm not sure. Let me see here. Hold on. Here we go, guys. This is what we did today so far. This is what we locked in. And this is in the trade challenge account, guys. Trade challenge account, locked in profits. We locked in Amgen, $318.53. We locked in Express, That overnight trade, we locked in that for what? 342.70. And then the second trade we made, the day trade today on Express, $185.40. So today we locked in a nice $846.63 in profits in just the first hour and a half of the trading day. Looks great. Now I want to see another climb here in the afternoon. Amgen's at the highs of the day right now. Again, guys, another big breakout on Amgen. So really nice job. We could have held on to that Amgen trade a little bit longer. We had for the April 16th Expo. But we had a nice gain in the trade challenge account, and the whole point of the trade challenge account is to grow it. We're getting another big breakout here on Trivago. There goes Express again, nearing $6 again. Trivago's at the highs of the day. There goes Amgen at the highs of the day. Express is having another breakout and going to run for the highs of the day. Just going to be holding on to our trades, guys, now that we're in the COVID recovery stocks, and continue to see those gains over the next couple of weeks here. And then I definitely want to be adding to financials after this afternoon after we see what Powell says. So nice gains today. We locked in $846.63 in profits. Very nice day. And we will be live again in the afternoon. If you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Membership pricing plans on the join now. And remember, once you join us, if you want to get in the live trade room where we'll be from now until about 2:30, you go to live trading, click on live trade room. And guys, right here, Elite Pro Trader, 30% off, promo code challenge. And you guys could take advantage of that. Instead of being $2,500, it's now only going to be $1,750 for the entire year. And that's going to include the Trading Academy trade alerts, app, text alerts, email alerts, access to the entire website, and access to our education suite. So if you guys want to come join us, now's the time to do it. Go to Join Now membership pricing plans and save 30% off that yearly membership right there. And welcome aboard, guys, to those of you that just joined us. It's nice to have you with us. And please let Ephraim know who's a new member here, because I want to get a class ready to go soon. Alrighty, guys. Nice climb here. I will see you guys in the afternoon. Everyone have a great day. If you guys have any questions, right down here on Messenger, you guys could shoot us a message right here. Chat with Breaking Chart Alerts. Log into Messenger, shoot us a message. We'd be glad to help you out. Alrighty, guys. Have a great day. Stay safe. God bless. And nice job locking in those profits today, team. Alrighty. Bye-bye.